Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Elon Musk token. Name of the token is Elon space Musk, just like his name. Ticker symbol is Elon. Now there's been a lot of Elon Musk tokens out there in the past. I don't know if I've ever seen one just called Elon Musk. This might be the one of the first ones. Anyways, there could be another one. But yeah, this token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. It is up 110.93% right now, doing very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Elon Musk token, like I said, just got listed on CoinMarketCap. But before you think about getting this token, there is a big warning at the top of the CoinMarketCap page that everybody should be aware of. It says, according to Gopless Labs, the smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, mint new tokens, or transfer tokens. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. So when there's a warning like that, it doesn't necessarily mean like 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when they can alter the smart contract, change taxes, disable selling, that's a big one, change fees, mint new tokens, transfer tokens, all sorts of stuff that could really be negative. So thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about getting this token. Now, according to their Etherscan, right now they have 1,636 holders so far. 18 decimal places on this token. They have a max total supply of 10 billion tokens. So they're doing very well so far with a lot of holders. They're up 116.65% right now. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you did want to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Elon Musk token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or on their Etherscan. You can find it on their webpage too, elonmuskcoin.io. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So they do have a Twitter as well, at Musk_ERC. They have a Telegram at Musk_ERC as well. So their Telegram, 582 subscribers so far, so they're not doing too bad there. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, it has the contract address right at the top, then a link to their socials, then a tweet from Elon Musk. It says, I am become meme, destroyer of shorts. So there you go. It says the ultimate meme. So the Musk token is a meme coin, which is the ultimate tribute to the undisputed king of memes, Elon Musk. Musk is here to bring that to fruition by immortalizing the meme master himself into the meme coin history books. So the destroyer of shorts, primary mission of the Musk token is to overthrow all other meme coins and wear the crown like a boss that Musk truly is. So Shiba Inu and Dogecoin would be an ordinary dog without the meme master himself. Musk is here to prove that the game has only just begun and eventually reign supreme over all meme coins. So it says there is 0% buy and sell tax. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, you most likely will not have to change slippage. You could just leave it at the default. So it says contract has been renounced. It says 10% of tokens are locked for central exchange liquidity to surpass all meme coins, including SHIB and Doge. So eventually it says they are going to get some central exchange listings. Now they do have a contact email as well. It says contact@elonmuskcoin.io if you have any questions for them there. They have a link to buy on Uniswap on their webpage here, elonmuskcoin.io. Now one thing I do notice here is that they do not have a full audit or a KYC or SAFU badge or any sort of security. So just thoroughly be aware of that. And then thoroughly be aware of that big warning here at the top of the coin market cap page saying that they can disable selling and change fees. So there's some sketchiness going on all over the place here. They also have self-reported circulating supply. So this is all self-reported data. Even their market cap is self-reported. It says they have $5.7 million market cap, $4.5 million fully diluted market cap, and a 24-hour trading volume of $8.2 million. And then a total supply of 10 billion Elon tokens. So, yes, the goal of Musk is to have the supreme meme coin and bestow upon Elon Musk the title of Meme King, featuring a 0% transaction tax. Musk maintains complete decentralization. Furthermore, contract ownership has been relinquished and liquidity is locked for a century, guaranteed optimal safety and reliability. So that's what it says on CoinMarketCap, but I mean it tells you otherwise in the big warning. Designed for the general public to spearhead by the community, the Musk token initiative primarily seeks to disseminate joy and amusement throughout memes while familiarizing a broader audience with the capabilities of cryptocurrency and decentralized finance. So, yes. Besides that, their Twitter, 603 followers. They just joined in March 2023. Only 15 tweets so far. It says Musk is now live on CoinMarketCap is their latest tweet. And of course, a lot of memes on their page. Whoever controls the memes controls the universe. So check it all out. You can find their Twitter at Musk_ERC. And it is always in the top corner here of the video for you guys to easily see. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.